Hi everyone, in today's video I'm just gonna talk about stuff that I want to make in my career of YouTube. Well, not career, but like when I have a YouTube channel, which is right now. I'm gonna be talking about what I want to make, what I've already made, and yeah, stuff like that. So to begin with, I'm gonna talk about what I want to achieve in YouTube. So first, amount of subscribers. I don't really mind if I get less than 10,000 subscribers because that is a lot for a small creator like me. And the most I want is probably just 5,000 if that's enough. Yeah, because I just want to be a good YouTuber. So like I'll be famous, I'll be in other people's videos. I want to go collab with people and stuff like that. Life could be dream. Life could be dream. Doop 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 shaboop. Yeah, so I want to get in people's videos and stuff like that. Life could be dream. Yeah, it just could be a dream, like what I want. Mainly about YouTube, but well, not mainly about other stuff in life. But like when I'm older, I kind of want to be like famous, and yeah. And I really want to get a better PC because this one that I'm currently using, it is a laptop. Apparently it's £3,000, but whenever I screen record, it's always laggy. So if you guys know, please comment or reply to my post if I even make one about like what settings to use. Maybe tag a link to a video, a tutorial. Yeah, because I need to improve on my video quality. That's why I've not really made that much Minecraft videos, so yeah. And also, Jupiter's giant red spot. I don't know, but like the PC that I'm currently using, it's not powerful enough. It doesn't have a graphics card that's able to process shaders. I play on Bedrock Edition, obviously, so it requires an RTX. Because I hate Java Edition, and Java Edition is the worst Minecraft edition. Well, at least we don't use Education Edition. But yeah, Canman 18, Canman, Bottle Boy, yeah, Bottle Boy, you know him? Yeah, he plays Java Edition, and yeah, as long as they don't complain that Bedrock is bad, they're okay. But it's okay to complain about Java, because Java's just worse. Bedrock's better.
Better?
Yeah, it's just better. And it just enhances the quality of your Minecraft gameplay. It also attracts viewers to watch your videos because it's just more satisfying with shaders on, especially RTX. I like to use shaders from MCPDL because that's the website that I get most of my mods from. One of the mods or texture packs that I use is called Bare Bones. I bet you all know about that, but it's just a texture pack that simplifies your game a bit. It reduces your lag, increases your FPS, and yeah, but one that decreases your FPS, but enhances the animations of Minecraft is obviously actions and stuff. It's like it's on the marketplace. It costs like in UK £8, £10, £11. I'm not sure. Maybe £9, £10. But in USA it's like £9. I think. No, $9. I think. And then I just don't like Americans complaining or like making fun of a British accent. Yeah. No, I'm not making fun. I'm not even exaggerating it. I'm just using my normal British accent, okay? I'm British. That's how I speak. So, Americans, if you're watching this, just really stop making fun of British accents. And if you spam in the comments, you're British. You have like a pilly accent. That's, yeah. Just don't. Actually don't. If you do, I might something. I'm not sure. But back to Minecraft. I usually play on Hive, Bed Wars. Currently I'm a level 16 player. I bet if you're watching this, I might be like level 27, 28, almost 30, or just a higher level, because, yeah. And also I've been playing for like 2 months. I got Minecraft on the 25th of December 2024, so Christmas 2024, and I started playing Hive on like 1st of January. Actually, no, like 26th or 27th December. So I've played for like 2 months currently, and I'm already a level 16 player. That's good, isn't it? Tell me in the comments, is that good, mid, average, or terrible, or just yeah, meh. I enjoy making thumbnails for YouTube using this editor software or website called Canva, and yeah, it's just really simple to use. There's a link in the description if you want to download or use Canva, and yeah, there's also a link for my tutorial of how to make a thumbnail using Canva. Tools I use for thumbnail and stuff. Technoblade never dies. Technoblade never dies. Not even close. Technoblade never dies. Just Technoblade never dies. He never dies. Yeah, I really enjoy watching Wally Bear. He's a good Bed Wars YouTuber. But one thing, he plays on Java. I know. Hypixel, isn't it? Yeah, I've played on Hypixel before. And it's 1.8 or 1.18, I'm not sure, but yeah, it's Java edition. So yeah, but I just like Wally Bear, especially his skin. That's why I have his skin a in a suit, because he's good. So yeah, Donald Trump. I really want to make Minecraft animation and stuff like that, and yeah, because it's just fun to watch them Minecraft animations. I also want to make manhunt videos, but I found out that it's hard because it's hard to get people to play with you on Minecraft since they're always busy, probably playing Fortnite. I hate that. And yeah, they just grind on Fortnite all day, while Minecrafters we're the only OGs left. And yeah, Roblox is just, you know, Minecraft is the only OG left. So any of you playing Minecraft, like the video and subscribe. But if you only play Fortnite and grind on it every day, you consider yourself as a cracked gamer. But really, someone played the Uno reverse card on you, and those people that played that on you, if you're a Fortnite player, is the OG Minecraft players. So yeah, Minecraft players stick around, but Fortnite players just go away. Just go away. I don't care if you just play Java, just still, just Fortnite players, meh. And also, I want to make videos kind of like Dreaming the Quavis. I know a lot of you say the Quavis is fake, and I know he is because he uses his speeding up, slowing down the gameplay, and then speeding up the footage. And I want to make it like that, but real, like legit gameplay of it. And yeah. Yeah, so Sonic MC, he's also a good YouTuber, though he has like 360 subscribers by the time I'm recording this, and he does good quality videos, and I want to be like him. He's British as well, so yeah. So this is a mini tutorial of how to be a Minecraft YouTuber. Step 1, be British. How many people are British? How many people that play Minecraft and are big YouTubers of it are British? So just be British, okay? Yeah. Like, how do them people that make Minecraft videos get that many subscribers? That's like the whole population of, I don't know, let's say, I don't know, but it's at least a population of a city or like a village. Mr. Beast, he's just like the whole population of the UK or England. Maybe more, but I don't know. And yeah, actually, Mr. Beast has like 4 to 5 times the population of the UK. Right now, yeah, he has like 300 million subscribers, 340 million subs. Imagine that. Also, a lot of gaming channels get a lot of subscribers, mainly because of their thumbnails, but also because of the quality of their videos. And like, it's just hard to make them sort of videos. I've tried it before. The screen recorder always makes Minecraft lag out whenever I try to do Bed Wars videos. That's why I've not done it before. So let me know in the comments if you know any tips or tricks to change that and optimize it so that Minecraft will run smoothly whilst you're recording with OBS Studio, because that's the software I use to record. I know the stuff like about Techno's Blur, and it looks good, but it's not really. It just looks so complicated to use. I might start using it when I'm actually like a big YouTuber with a few hundred subscribers. Yeah. So a recap. I just want to be a big YouTuber, make good quality videos, actually get a better PC, and make you subscribe. So bye. Better.